Joe looks like the type of guy that would say fudge instead of fuck. He also looks like the type of guy who would eat fudge instead of fuck.
He's right, I enjoy fudge. Sam once tweeted that the worst thing you can say about a comedian on stage is that he's a nice person. That's not true. When Sam's on stage, I say he's a terrible person, he's not funny, and I hope he dies slowly.
That was a good one, Spaz Bono. And I remember when I first met Joe, it was right after Geppetto turned him into a real boy. And
Sam's allergic to ibuprofen. It's his kryptonite. That's not the only thing he has in common with Superman. Both of their fathers abandoned them.
Joe, you look like Pee Wee Herman if his big adventure was going to Dunkin' Donuts.
I could stand to lose a few pounds. Did you know that Sam suffers from terrible ADD? It's actually a blessing, though. He can't focus on his upbringing, his love life, and his career.
Joe, look at that belly. You put the burgers and Asperger's.
Sam used to tutor young children for money, but their books had words he'd never seen before, like taste.
Last joke.
It's hard for Joe to be mean because he's a good, devout Catholic, you know? Joe is so Catholic that he actually looks like a pregnant virgin.
Comedy Central gave Sam an hour special. They'll do anything to make The Daily Show look funny. For Sam to get laughs, it'll have to be an hour of him trying to lift weights.